What's up, SD Racing family, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're not part of the family, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button to stay the current with everything we got going on around the shop. Today on the dyno we have Mike's 2009 Silverado with a 6.2 liter. So Mike's truck features a 6.2 liter engine with a TIC Performace Cam Package with the TowMAX Camshaft, an AFE Intake, 102mm Throttle Body, and Shorty Headers. We'll be tuning the truck today on HP tuners using 93 octane fuel. Let's see how much power it makes. So after a few pulls, we're able to dial Mike's truck in. We made 330 horsepower and 350 foot-pounds of torque, which is really good, especially with the heavy wheels and tires he has on this truck. With a set of stock wheels and tires, we probably pick up another 20 or 30 horsepower. So 330 horse, 350 torque is real good for these big heavy wheels. Thank you for stopping by the channel today and watching the dyno session with the Mike's 2009 Silverado. If you liked the video, please think about hitting that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see future dyno videos and stuff we got going around the shop. But for now, you have a good one. We hope to see you again soon.